Hollyhocks here. It's been quite a while, guys. So I'm here. I'm dancing. Because I'm about to do me a review. Zentai Zone. Zentai Zone. Zentai Zone. Zentai Zone. Stop looking at my butt. Zentai Zone. Stop looking at my teeth. Okay, you can look at it. Just kidding. I really gotta knock off the adult humor and some kids love this sometimes. Flower kids. So, what we got here is X-23 Spider Bites design, Zentai Zone costume. Ooh, 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 ooh. Sometimes when we get excited, we shake our ponytail around like a helicopter and fly away, but we ain't gonna do that right now because I'm gonna hurt the ceiling. Okay, be right back. And we're back. I'm wearing a space suit. Just kidding, I'm X-23. Wearing space. So this is the outfits. Not gonna lie, hands are slightly uncomfortable. They're kind of bunched up in a crotchal area, but there's enough in the back. The shirts, I actually like it a lot. Fits nice, makes my bust look robust, I think. Flexible, you can do a lot of flexible things, like kick. Give me kick. Like this. Watch. Don't be too impressed. But I'm gonna do a super high kick. You guys are like, wow, this outfit helps. I'm just kidding, I can kick a little higher than that. Yeah, but there are these little footsies things. There's little foots on them. See what I can do? There's little foots on the costume. And I actually would prefer this. There are some gloves. I'd prefer this to Spider-Gwen and the other ones because the gloves are removable and makes it easier when you go to the bathroom. Because with the other ones you have to take the whole suit off and the zipper is actually really awkward. This one doesn't have a zipper. It's a little better. Anyways, here's the gloves. I wore them in the photo shoot that I did, which is right here. Eh? Can I do that?
I guess it.
Okay, this is the photo shoot by Future Photography that I did. As you can see the gloves in. I'm not going to put them on right now, but they do look swell. I do like the design. The only complaint I have is that you definitely got to do your hair after you get on the costume because this kind of frizz me up a little bit, and also it's very tight. Only here. It's very tight. It's like, I mean, it's all my muscles. Could be. It's not your fault, it's my fault. Thank God there's no sleeves in this, you know. But I just came here to brag about myself. So, no. But anyways, I like the design. It fits form pretty well. It's something that I could see being very easy to walk around in all day. You don't really have to worry about the shoes if you're doing photo shoots or anything because feet are covered. It's kind of a fun. It's kind of a fun. Funny sometimes. But anyways, what do you guys think? So yeah, this is my X-23 and that is about it. Spider Bites, Zentai Zone, X-23. Feeling it. Like, subscribe, Zentai Zone, Spider Bites, us, Team Ashen, Hollyhocks here, and that's about it.